Apostle Solomon Kofi Mensah from Witness of Christ Ministry, a general overseer. I just want to tell people about this. People that talking too much, that Bushiri must be released, must stop. Bushiri must not be released. In fact, he must to go to jail. Bushiri has to go to jail because it is something that has to happen. It has to happen. He prophesied. Let me tell you something. If a prophet that prophesied and the prophecy does not come to pass, is not a prophet. It is not. He said, "You will know that he is a prophet when his prophecy come to pass." Okay, not just they arresting. Okay, not just that they have arrested him and that is all. No, he has to go to jail because he prophesied that you'll be arrested, you will go to jail, you will be preaching, and then after that you come out. And when he comes out, you'll be promoted, you'll be more powerful. People will know the glory of the Lord through this arresting. You understand? So rather you need to pray that God will give him strength. God will give him spirit of might to sustain in these issues, in this case. You understand? So please stop telling people, stop protesting that Bushiri must come out. No, he must be there and fulfill the will of God. If you do that, it means you are stopping the will of God. If you do that, you are blocking his blessings. If you do that, you are seizing the plan of the Lord. You see, if you do that, you are making his ministry short. So please, don't tell people, don't protest. Stop protesting that he must be released. Why are they doing that? No. The day that he was prophesying about his arresting, somebody that was sitting in front of him said, no. He rebuked the person. Prophet Shepebushi rebuked the person that, no, Satan, get thee behind me. And he even referred the Bible whereby Jesus Christ was talking about his arresting and his death and his resurrection. And then he said, Peter said, no, you are not supposed to die. And Jesus rebuked Peter. And he said, Satan, get thee behind me. So the person that was saying, no, you must not supposed to arrest him, Bushiri rebuked the person. So now, you that protesting, that hey, Bushiri is not supposed to be arrested, Prophet Shepe Bushiri must be released. No, he rebuking you. That you are blocking his blessing, you are blocking his ministry, you are blocking his promotion. You are rather have to pray that he will remain there until the due time, and rather be strong and do what God has assigned him to do in there. So please stop praying that he must release this time. No, he is on mission. Pray for him that he will finish his mission at the appointed time. That is what I want to tell you. So you pastors, you sons and daughters that are crying that Jesus Christ said, don't cry for me, but cry for yourself. You have a problem. You must cry for the church. You understand? Pray that the church will be strong. The church will be strong and stand still until he comes. Okay, Bushi will be out. No matter what, he will be out. But you must be strong for yourself. You must stand still that when he comes, you will not be out. That is the problem. Okay? You must pray that when he comes, you will not be out. You must pray that you will not be convinced that Bushiri is an evil man of God. Okay? Or is a fake prophet. But rather will stand firm and stand strong in the faith. Alright? So please, my sons and daughters of Prophet Shepe Bushiri must stay strong and pray for him that he will remain there until he finishes the task. Stop protesting, stop quarreling, stop shouting, and stop this crying. But pray for yourself and pray for him that he will finish. He is on a mission, and the mission is baptism of suffering. Bushiri is on a mission, and the mission is baptism of suffering. After finishing this baptism, he will be out and he will come with glory. He come out with glory. He knows, he is aware that he must pass through of this. So stop crying, stop confusing yourself, and stop confusing others. May God bless you. My name still remaining Apostle Solomon Kofi Mensah. I love you. Shalom. Bye-bye.